Hi there, welcome to my channel. If you have not joined me before, my name is Jen and I like to do crafting. I'm into wreaths right now and I just wanted to share with you some of the things that I found at dollar stores in my town. So first I'll start by going through the stuff that I found at Dollar Tree. So going through their Easter stuff, I'm gonna make some Easter wreaths. So these ones I took out of the package already, but in a little package for $1, there's small little eggs with glitter, pretty colors for Easter. I found 2 packages of these egg picks that I thought would go really nicely on this wreath form. This I also got from Dollar Tree. I found a really cute little welcome sign. I think that's new because I just saw that in there for the first time this week. This one, I think they've had these for a while, but bless this home. And I found some really pretty Easter ribbon, 1.5 inch by 72 inches, 2 yards, and really cute with different color Easter eggs on them. And I got a few of those. I got this one, really cute with different color bunnies on it. And this really pretty green burlap. I thought was such a pretty color, so I got a few of those. And then this sheer kind of fuchsia, I got a few of those as well. Okay, and next I'll show you what I bought at the Dollarama today. I bought these little wooden shapes. They're in the shape of a dog. So I am going to try to find some little words to go on the dog, like little rub-on transfers. I may have to order those from Amazon because I haven't been able to find them in the dollar stores. And on Facebook Marketplace, I bought a bunch of ribbon from a lady, and one of the ribbons that she had was this super, super cute ribbon with little dog paw prints on it. So I'm excited to make like a dog lover's wreath. And then some natural bark maple leaves. So I thought these would go really, really nice on like a fall wreath or whatever, or I could do one for Canada Day. That would be good. I found these really pretty ribbons. So this one, they've got little tiny rhinestones on them. I don't know if you can see that, but I got a cream color one, $2. And I've got this silver ribbon. All of these are $2. And the black with the little rhinestones, and then the sort of like a dusty rose kind of pink with the little rhinestones that I thought was so pretty. Not a bad price for those because, well, again, it's 2 meters, but over 1.5 inches thick. So not too bad. Oh, $2.50, sorry, $2.50 each for those. And then I found these cute little flowers. They're like paper, and $2 for the package. I thought they'd be really cute for maybe a Mother's Day wreath. They're really pretty colors, and some reds and pinks in that one. I found this similar sign, the one like similar to the one from Dollar Tree at Dollarama, just some different colors, some pinks and grays in it. Home Sweet Home. And found another few signs. So this sign, I thought I could do a cat lovers wreath. Welcome to our home. And there's the little cat on a couch. I thought it was really cute. And then the Home Sweet Home with, again, the pinks and the grays. Glad I got the pink and gray ribbon there to go with those. And then these I thought were really pretty for $3.50, these eggs. They're kind of like a chrome kind of finish on them. And then 2 of the eggs have a really pretty sparkle. And then last but not least, I bought these decorative mesh from Dollarama. I was having trouble finding any decorative mesh there, but these ones I thought were kind of neat because they have all like Easter or spring colors, stripes. So I'm excited to use those on a project. So I hope you enjoyed my dollar store finds today and hope you're having a great day. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.